morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over at Allendale's Trade in Florida. It's Tuesday, August 25th, and starting the day off with a nice, impressive jump on the overnight. You had corn gap higher off that good, excellent rating, dropping 5% below even the range of analyst estimates. Beans dropping 3%, holding some strength. Not as impressive as what the corn has been able to hold overnight, but still moving up higher, which looks nice. You have the potential for a bull flag on this bean market, and the potential for an Adam and Eve bottom in the corn market that is still well in place. You held the gap on the overnight for the corn, have an impressive volume. You have an open interest that's been decreasing like crazy, showing funds are in fact short covering their positions and potentially could be gearing up to enter a long position for the first time this entire year. So it'll be very interesting to see what has in store. We are about 130,000 contracts decrease in total open interest for the corn market since our lows were posted. And it'll be impressive to see what goes on. You got some good resistance as it come up at about 358 on that December contract. And for beans, we'll be looking at the recent highs that still need to be broken. So we'll be watching all that here today. You've been hearing some cash cattle trade, 105, 106 being traded across Kansas, Texas, Nebraska. A lot of overnight trades taking place at this time. So we'll be monitoring those. As of right now, that's nothing too impressive based on the increases we have been seeing. But seasonally, we are at a time that box beef does have a turnaround. So a lot to be watching in the livestock side of things. Energy side of things, still got whipsaw in the crude market. It has not been moving one way or another in a very trending direction, just been very sideways. Something probably gets a lot of attention to the day traders, but not so much on the long-term investors or speculators just looking, or hedgers, just looking at some day trading going on at this point with a very large volatility being pumped into that market. And finally, what we'll be watching for is the Fed's meeting on Thursday. A lot of speculation about what's going to be said during that meeting, and if we have any kind of move towards inflation working their way over into our commodity markets, specifically the grains. So a lot to be watching, but any questions for me directly, please give me a call, 815-578-6177. This is Mike Lung for Allendale. You guys have a great one.